Hey, it's Dr. Rimka, and I'm inviting you to get ready with me. It's a real popular trend. I don't normally do it, but let me take you into what I do to help my 51-year-old skin and scalp and hair and everywhere else stay fresh, young, tight, and I do like the word moist. If you're triggered by it, all the better. What's happening today, 8 p.m. Eastern, is that these experience kits that we have for the Korean K-beauty products I use are going on sale. They will probably sell out in 1 to 2 hours. So if you are interested in a 10 to 20 day trial of what I use for only $100, here's your chance tonight. We'll make sure we have my link dropped and we'll make sure you'll be able to figure out how to get a link to buy it for yourself and be sure to get my customer service if you buy from me. I only take care of those who are my customers, just so you know. Now, we have the EX ritual and we have the RAD ritual. This is what I use, and this is going to be where 90% of everybody is going to start, maybe even 95% of you. I'm going to run through what's in here. This would be my 65 and up group, would maybe be able to start here, but they definitely would move into it in the second or third month. Many people will use this ritual in the morning, and then they'll use this ritual in the evening. This is more hydration water-based, and this is more oil moisturizing based. So if you have really, really dry skin in your 40s and 50s, you might be able to use this. This is not the line I use. It's the more professional advanced line. It goes deeper into the skin. It's more moisturizing. I have a little oily type of skin, so this is not the best line. This is the best line for my skin. My 65, 70-year-old, 75-year-old ladies mostly like this. Many of them do this in the AM and they do this in the PM. So if you're in that category, you might want to get this kit and this kit. That way you got them both, day and night. All right, for the special $100. These will only go on sale again, probably Black Friday or December. They will sell out really quickly. We get limited supplies of these. So that's what that is. Now I'm going to show you what's inside them. And I'm going to run through this. So you get these incredibly gorgeous sample size of 8 different steps. And the K-beauty products are renowned for a double cleanse. You get one cleanser in here, and then you get the some of the boosters in this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it on my face right now so you can see what I do. I'm not going to go through the washing. I did that. But I would highly recommend if you buy one of these experience kits, you add the second cleanser, because the Korean and K-beauty program, basically why they get such incredible results, it's renowned for the double cleanse. This is an oil cleanser. Please stack in the Pure Cell cleansing oil. This is incredible. It takes off all the makeup. You put it on a dry face and then you just rub all this oil in right all up in the eyes. Oh my, it feels so good. It's like a nice lymphatic massage. I go all the way down my neck. Then you put some water on it and scrub it off, rinse it off. It foams up a little bit. It's fantastic. Then you would do the second cleanser. So by adding in an oil cleanser first, pulling off oil, sebum, makeup, sweat, then you put the second one, which is a water-based enzyme, some very, very mild exfoliant. You get the dead cells off and the bacteria. The skin is primed now to receive these, right? So if you order one of these kits today, only for $100, to get for $100 to get, at least a 2-week trial. Some people are stretching it and they're getting like 30 days out of it. I don't know how they're doing it, but they're doing it. They're doing a little bit of dab. I'm a little generous with it. I would please stack this on. If you want to get the full ritual experience of what I'm getting and these incredible results, put the Pure Cell oil cleanser on it. This is an outrageously good product. It's probably one of my favorite things in the line. Super, super gentle. This is for the most sensitive skin ever. I have very sensitive skin. Now, let me show you what it is. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to throw on some of the body cream just because I love it. So if you order some of this and you want to stack on for hydration everywhere, you can throw on some of this Swamel body cream. Nobody likes to be dry, cracked, and ashy. I also love the hair serum. So I'm going to show you, I put the serum in my hair wet. And then when I blow it dry, it's very, very protected. It protects my hair strands and follicles from damage. And I often put it on my hair after I style it. So I'll blow it dry and put that on after. All right, so first step that's in there, the V8 Ton Oil Mist. Do a gentle shake, close the eyes. That's it. Now that very gentle mist is coming into my skin, and you can, pat it kind of in. It's so nice. Love it. Normally, I'm stone cold naked, but this is not OnlyFans, so y'all ain't getting that show. But I just do it everywhere. I let the mist fall where it likes to fall. I say freshen it all up, ladies and gentlemen. Then the next step I like to use is the calming gel. I did not have this for a couple months. This calming balancing gel, I'm going to show you. I just put a very small amount. Okay, that is damask rose water, 8 layers of low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and 24 karat gold flecks. When you get this, it's so gorgeous. And I just take a very small amount and I rub this in everywhere. This is especially incredible for acne, rosacea, bug bites, mosquito bites, cuts, burns. It balances the pH, and the gold helps everything penetrate even deeper, and it is antimicrobial. And when you look at it, it's so luxurious and sexy. It just makes me feel like I am 24 karat gold and I deserve all the things, right? I love this. I put this on, and if you have acne or rosacea, you can put this on multiple times. So let's say you have breakouts here, you can just do a little bit throughout or wherever that is. It can go all over. Sunburns as well. It's incredible for that. Then, here's the magic of the Korean skincare. I never heard of booster sprays. I didn't do this. I was like, why are you doing Boosay Boo? What is that? Sounds so stupid. But Boosay Boo stands for booster, serum, booster again. So this is the EX booster, and you just simply close your eyes because it does have a little burning in the eyes if you go like this. So don't do that. Okay? That's the booster. So it has this giant Byungpool leaf, the Jeju lava frequency water, a bunch of other weird sea berry things, all these magical plant extracts from Korea that are heritage plants they've been using for centuries. And I just do that. And I don't wait for it to dry. I take my serum and some people drop it. I don't do that. I put it on my hands. Okay. And you just all up in the eyes. See all that? All up in it. There's no eye cream. I get my ears. I do this and I get the back of my neck. I get all of it. Okay? Fantastic. So what we're doing is we're driving the ingredients deeper and deeper. This was a little bit thicker of some of the same ingredients. Now I take the booster again. I don't wait because I don't want it evaporating. It's evaporating right now. I'm trying to drive it into my skin. Moist. Okay. All of this is in the experience kits in those nice travel sizes. Then you take the cream, the Active EX cream. Don't need a lot. See that? All of it. So then it's very gentle. You just glide it on. You don't rub it all in deep. You just be very gentle. See, it's all on my lips, all up in the eyes. I go up the neck. I get my ears, y'all, behind the neck. Do all of it. Okay? There's that. Here's one of my favorite products. People don't talk about it enough. The stick. I thought this was so stupid. It's my favorite product now. Extra moisture. You can do this all throughout the day to keep you glowy. Love it. So, that's my little routine. Didn't take 80,000 years. That's what I do. That's what's in these kits. Okay? I highly recommend you add and you stack, however, the Pure Cell Oil Cleanser, so you get the double cleanse. There's only one cleanser, the active powder cleanser that's in there, a mild exfoliant. All the instructions are in the kit. They go on sale today at 8 o'clock. Now listen, I would say stack in some body cream because it's about to be dry season. Nobody likes your crusty feet all up in the bed. Rub it, get it for your husband. And listen, you can't go wrong with this stick. It just sticks in your purse. You do the thing. You can highlight. People do all kinds of things. They contour here. I have enough contour happening, but what? Sharpen it up, ladies and gentlemen. See, I don't look all greasy. I look fresh. Then you can put on makeup or don't put on makeup. It's your call, boo.